Fireworks, golf down alleyway. Take two. This one should go a little farther. This one's called Mother Nature, so it ought to be good. You ready to do it?
Yes.
All right. All right, it's lit.
I'm sorry, man. What the hell?
Yeah, get the fireworks. Yeah, what?
Oh, dude.
How are you?
That might have been good. That one's gonna start with grass fight. Did I nut you? Yeah, just a little. Where'd that come from? We're playing.
By the way, we're hitting the fireworks in the alleyway. We should probably let you know.
What does it look like? It looks like
My eyes are bleeding.
Oh. I didn't hit you on the eyes.
I know.
Oh. All right.